My brothers and sisters, today I am going to show you a special video. আজকে আমি হাজির হয়েছি একটি বিশেষ ভিডিও নিয়ে। আমরা ইংলিশ শিখতেছি এবং একই সাথে আমরা সবাই শিখতেছি একটি ভিডিওর মাধ্যমে। So first of all, I will make some questions. I will ask some questions to the boys standing beside me. So চলুন ভিডিওটি শুরু করি. So at first of all, what is your name?
My name is Shuaib Mamun.
His name is Shuaib Mamun. And next one is, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is vegetable.
Oh, he is a vegetarian here. Okay, that is a good point. So please tell me. Will you please tell me what your favorite game is?
My favorite game is cricket.
His favorite game is cricket. Oh, cricket player. Now
Yes.
next one. Please tell me what your school's name.
The name of my school is Fabla Kindergarten.
Oh, that is a good answer. And the last one is here. He is the brave boy in this session. So please, would you please tell me about your favorite things and why do you learn English?
First of all, my name is Jarif Mamun and I learn English for improve my English skill and to be a good doctor, and for be a good doctor and internee I will go in foreign country or Bangladesh.
So
this is the
his
reason.
purpose is very legal. So I appreciate his purpose. So thank you so much for joining me.